What is going on, and welcome back to another video, guys. Today we're going to be taking care of some stuff with not only my car, but Dorsey's going to be here. We're going to be painting his rims, actually. So he has 2019 Raptor wheels that he bought off somebody a while ago. You guys have seen it in previous videos. So we're going to go ahead and do that. We were just on a couple hour long excursion trying to figure out who will do my exhaust for me and finish it to put some cats on it. That went terribly. We just wasted a bunch of gas and drove around everywhere. But we were getting 15 miles to the gallon, which is pretty sweet because I'm not used to that. So thanks to the tuner for that. Yeah, so basically we're waiting on Dorsey. I'm going to go ahead and clean up the shop a little bit, set up some stuff so he can go ahead and paint his wheels and do whatever. And I'm going to take out my taillights, and we're going to go around those, and we're going to put a nice little bead of sealant around them just so we can get those sealed properly, just so we don't risk anything with moisture, because I'm kind of over that whole thing. So we're going to go ahead and do that, and then I will come back a little bit later. Dorsey's over here fucking trying to pull his wheels off. He's been here for like half an hour. He's got one wheel off, so, you know, he's really going hard. He's going to go ahead and paint these. I just got this one sprayed down, so we're waiting for it to clean up a little bit. I'm over here resealing these taillights because I got nothing else to do right now, so I might as well fucking get something done. While he's doing this, I'm going to do that. Jeff's going to be over here pretty soon. Who knows how long that'll be. He's fucking going to work over here. So, yeah, we'll come back once we start cleaning these up and painting them, I guess. All right, four wheels are standing up after we had washed them, sanded them. So now their backsides are wet, but that don't matter. We sanded all the fronts down. So Dorsey's going to go ahead and he's getting ready to spray over here. And then we're going to go ahead and probably throw on some tape, and then we'll be good to go. All right, we just wrapped up the fourth coat on, well, I don't even know how many fucking coats there are, too many. But you can see from here how they reflect. They look pretty good. So we're gonna wait probably about an hour or so, make sure they're somewhat dry before he attempts to bring them home in this shitty weather. So yeah. All right, guys, we're back. Fucking Dorsey just left. We loaded up his wheels. We took off after we'd finished painting them. We went and we were hanging out at a buddy's house for about an hour or two. We were gone for a little while just to give him time to cure a little bit. He loaded them up in the bed. It's still raining out here, so I mean, there was nothing he could really do. He was just trying to load them up as best he could for that time. So I sent him on his way with those. They should be fine. He's going to need to touch up a couple spots in a few days or whatever, because it's just going to need to be touched up a little bit. But there's nothing you can do about that. It's what you expect when you're in a garage fucking trying to do a paint job on it. But right now I'm actually going to go ahead and I'm going to pull the truck in, and we're going to see if we can take a look at those front halos on the one window and see what the problem is there. And then we're going to go ahead and throw these in. Again, we'll wipe them down, make sure they're all clean. They should be sealed by now. I mean, the silicone is silicone-y, so it should be all right. The seal should be pretty good on them, and it's been sitting for a little while now, so I'd imagine it's all right. So with that being said, I'm going to go ahead and pull this forward, and then we'll get to work. I just went ahead and I had the whole headlight assembly thing out. I mean, I took apart all the plugs, messed with all the wires, had the lighting on, trying to figure it out, and I just could not figure it out. I mean, I don't know what is wrong. The halos might honestly just be bad. I already reached out to the company and sent them a message saying that I wanted a different pair, because these are a little messed up apparently already in 2 months. And so, yeah, I'm not happy with that. So hopefully they get back to me. Acon's a pretty good company, so I expect that they'll get back to me decently soon. And, we'll be able to get that squared away pretty quickly. With that being said, our fog lights look good. I'm not a fan of the lens. I actually just went ahead during this whole coronavirus thing. Oil is dirt cheap, so I just basically picked up 10 quarts of oil for like $34. That'll be here Monday, and I ordered some Plasti Dip lens tint, which is, Plasti Dip is very easy to use. I've used it before. Not worried about that. So I might peel this stuff off and throw that stuff on there, and hopefully that works better. I just threw the taillights in that are newly sealed, so those are in there. No worries with those now. But these headlights are our only worry now, and I've already reached out to the company, so hopefully that happens. And I think this projector was messed up to begin with, because I can't aim these for shit. No matter what I do, they just don't line up. So, hopefully that problem is fixed with that too. So with that being said, I don't think I have anything else in this video. I'm not sure if this video is even long enough. So this could be thrown in with the tuner video. This could not be. I really don't know. But yeah, if you guys did enjoy this video, make sure you drop a like down below. Subscribe for more videos, and I will see you guys all in the next video. Peace. All right, guys. We're back here. It's a different day. I'm not really sure what video this is going to go into. I haven't really planned any of that out yet, but we just did an oil change. As you can see, there's kitty litter and stuff, just because of the place where the oil filter is at on this truck. It makes it impossible to do it without getting kitty litter everywhere. But yeah, there's the old oil right there. I did that. I made a TikTok out of it. I'll throw the TikTok right in here so you guys can see that. It's pretty funny. It's one of like the trends going around, so I figured I'd hop on it. So yeah, with that being said, I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna pull these fog lights back off. This is what they look like during the day. I'm not really a big fan of them. I don't like how they look like runny. So I have a different can of lens tint now. It's actually Plasti Dip stuff, and I'm a big fan of Plasti Dip. It works well. I've had it on my truck for over a year now, and you know, haven't really had many problems with it. The only problems that have come about was stuff that I've had to do. So with that being said, I'm gonna go ahead. Obviously, it's wet out here, so I'm gonna go ahead and get some wood under here, and then I'm gonna go ahead and pull off that fog light, and then we're gonna test it. We're gonna see if we can peel this old one off, and if not, I mean, I don't know. We'll figure something out. But I would like to change over the lens tint on it just because it looks a lot better, I think. So I'm going to go ahead and do that now, and I'll be back. I'm soaking wet now from being under the truck. I pulled off the fog light, and the tint actually peels off very easy. So that came off. That's looking clean. I'm going to take alcohol to it, and I'll wipe it down. But here's our new spray here. Our Plasti Dip smoke. The heater's here, keeping my hands warm. I'm just drying this one off, and then we're gonna go ahead and peel it. You guys can see how like hazy and like watery it looks. I really don't like that, so I'm hoping this one turns out a little bit better. I'm sure it will. So with that being said, I'm gonna go ahead and peel off all the tint on this one, and yeah, then we'll go ahead and we'll start spraying this other one. All right, so we're out here. They've got 2 coats on them so far, and they look really good. I'm actually really happy with this. So I'm gonna go ahead and throw this 3rd coat down, and then we'll see how it's looking after that. Yeah. Ooh. Yeah. Ooh. Guys, it is later in this same day now. I left, I think, 3 or 4 coats before, and then it let sit for like 8 hours or so, and I came back, and it's still really not dark. So I'm going to continue to spray a couple more tonight before I go to bed. That way in the morning they'll be ready to install. So this is what it looks like now. I just threw another one on. I'd prefer them to like actually look like kind of blackish. I kind of have this is where I'm spraying them. You can see my little marks just to make sure the camera's spraying. So that's where that is. This window's open, so it's ventilating all the scent route right away. So I'm gonna go ahead and watch video and see how many coats like it's taking for people to get like the results they want. So yeah, that's where we're at now. All right, guys, here is the finished product. You can see it's very clean. They look really good. I can make them a little bit darker if I used like a glossifier over top of them from Plasti Dip, which I have, it's out there, but I don't know if I really want to do that. I kind of like the way they look right now. They're a little hazy. It looks pretty good. I'm going to throw them in the truck in the next video, so we will see that. This is where I'm going to end this video. So if you guys did enjoy, make sure you drop a like down below. Subscribe for more videos, and I'll see you guys all in the next video. Peace.